Converge victorious sa katatapos lang na NBTC League South Luzon Championships, securing a coveted spot in the upcoming national finals. Ang pagbabalik at dominance ng mga Tigres sa hardcore, fortified by Kelly Francisco.
Wasting that clock, Sevillano, completely aware of it, tries to put the pressure. Rualo. Oh my goodness! Reyalo showing up when it matters the most. Lead is now up to 9 big points, 77-68 in favor of Naga.
Sa laban kontra Amando Cope College, nasungkit ng One Media TV48 Naga Tigers ang coveted spot sa National Finals ng National Basketball Training Center League o NBTC ngayong taon. Dinumina ng Tigers ang laro kontra ACC na tumalo sa kanila noong kampyonato ng Bucal Basketball Season 5 sa score na 77-72. Sa 16 teams na nagpasik laban sa South Luzon qualifiers, 4 lang mula sa South Luzon ang pasok sa finals, kabilang ang St. Jude College ng Cavite, Philippine Christian University at Batang Chaong ng Quezon Province. Para sa mga Tigers, katuparan ito ng kanilang pangarap at bunga ng kanilang pagpupursige sa training at matinding disiplina sa sarili.
Masaya po kasi nakamit po namin yung pangarap namin na makapag-compete pa sa mas matataas na level ng basketball.
Yung mga sakripisyo po na mga sa training po na araw-araw dilubyo na binibigay ni coach.
Bit-bit po namin sa aming team ay disiplina sa sarili at disiplina sa team na magtulong-tulong para sa isang layunin na yun po ay makapasok sa nationals.
Ikinatuwa rin ito ng coach na si Brian Ayo maging ng mga opisyal ng Naga College Foundation na sina President Mario C. Villanueva at Dr. Nelba Olaso, Vice President for Sports, Culture and the Arts, na kinlala ang kahalagahan ng institusyon na nakapasok sa National Leagues.
Napakahalaga at it's a milestone that for the first time, ang NCF Junior Tigers natin or NCF Cubs nakapasok na sa finals ng NBTC, no? Which will be held in MOA. First time yon, no? Na nakapasok tayo being one of the top 4 sa South Luzon.
National game is very important to us sa Naga College Foundation kasi pag sinabi na national, meaning malalakas yun ang kalaban. Pero nandoon ang Naga College Foundation. Isa yun sa marketing namin sa sports.
Dream come true yung nangyari, kaya overwhelmed kami and blessed na nakapasok kami for National Finals.
Magkakasama ng Tigers sa National Finals ang malalaking kupunan mula UAAP at NCAA. Maging ang 10 NBTC Global Partners mula Amerika, Canada, Europe, Australia at New Zealand.
It's going to be a big struggle dahil ang lalaki ng mga kalaban and most of the players are coming from Manila schools, no? Na talagang well-trained, malalaki, skills is really high. So we will take this as a learning experience.
May expect nila na lalaban kami hanggang dulo. Kahit sino pa kalaban namin, kalaro namin, we will play our very best to represent the school, the community, and the region of Bicol.
Dahil sa inaasahang mabigat na banggaan sa National Finals, may balak baguhin sa strategy si Coach Brian.
Actually, ma'am, maraming adjustment kaming gagawin kasi nakita na namin yung mga contenders sa National Finals. Kaya sabi ko, yung mga trainings namin, yung mga plays namin, i-adjust namin, magmo-modify pa kami para mas lalo kami maging competitive sa National Finals.
Bukod sa adjustments at puspusang training sa mga susunod na araw, paiiralin din nila ang pusong tigre.
First, sabi ko sa mga bata, respect your opponent, bigay lahat, buhos, every game, importante, kaya dapat manalo. Kaya ginawa namin is yung puso ng tigre talaga pinakita namin, never say die. Every second, nagtatrabaho kami, and di kami sumusuko sa kada laro.
Kinilala rin ng Tigers ang kontribusyon ng kanilang mga taga-suporta sa kanilang panalo at sa mga susunod na laban.
Sobrang nagpasalamat po kami sa support ng school kasi mas nabibigyan po kami ng lakas ng loob at kahit po nasa malayo kami, naramdaman po namin na marami pa rin sumusuporta sa amin.
Napakalaking tulong po sa amin dahil suporta ng school at lalong-lalo na po sa aming napaka-hands-on na si President Engineer Mario C. Villanueva and sa One Media TV48 po dahil nabigyan po kami ng chance para may showcase yung talent namin at makapaglaro sa nationals.
Message ko sa NCF community, keep praying, supporting us kasi medyo mabigat na laban na to sa amin. Lahat na to, mga champion sa iba't ibang regions ng Pilipinas. So, keep praying for us. We will give everything pagdating sa national finals.
May paalala naman sina Sir Mario Villanueva at Dr. Nel Baolaso sa kanilang mga manlalaro.
So to the NCF Cubs, give your best, be on your top shape, learn, but most of all, show the Manila teams and all the other provincial teams na merong NCF Cubs sa Bicol na lumalaban, win or lose, we would be there fighting and of course our pride will be there.
Huwag makampante palagi, kinakailangan fight like a tiger.
Tiyaga lang sa training ngayon for 2 weeks, yung adjustment namin, then bigay lahat sa practice para pagdating ng national finals. Sanay na tayong ibuhos lahat, kaya all out na palagi sa laro.
Makakabangga rin ng One Media TV48 Naga Tigers sa NBTC League National Finals na binansagang Madness in MOA ang mga kupunan mula North Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao simula ngayong March 14.
Sa Tiger community, suportahan natin ang ating NCF Tiger Cubs, no? Ang ating Cubs. For the National NBTC this year, may mga foreign teams na kasali rin na hopefully makalaban din natin para masukat din ang mga Bicolano players ay lumalaban, no? Medyo small size tayo pero meron din naman tayong secret weapons, no? Which is our outside shooting and the speed na meron ang ating NCF Cubs, no? Yan ang trademark ng mga Bicolano basketball players. So suportahan natin, panoorin natin sa NBTC Facebook page at let's give them all the support, win or lose. We should show them that we are taking care of our athletes.
Bilog ang bola. Yan ang isa sa pinakamahalagang life lessons na itinuro ng basketball. Matapos ang mga pagsubok na dumaan sa kupunan ng NCF nitong nagdaang buwan, katuwang ang One Media TV48 Naga, the legacy of champions continues and prevails. Ito si Kelly Francisco, and this is Spotify Express.
And Montesa. I'm 15 years old from Bago City and I'm from NCF Volleyball Heroes. As an athlete po, first of all, my inspiration is my mother and my sister po na nasa ibang place po ngayon. What motivates me to keep going po is pinasok ko po yung volleyball para po makatulong po sa family ko, para sa pag-college ko po hindi na po sila masyadong pag-estusan yun. Lalo na po yung mother ko na solo parent. I think po yung most difficult moment po is ngayon po, which is yung kinonvert po ako sa ibang position, which is right now medyo may mga struggles pa po. May mga adjustment po kasi po spiker po ako before, then naging libero po. This month lang din po. Gusto ko po talaga makakalaban yung Chocomuch po. Chocomuch. Victory is a big word po. Siyempre pag sinabi natin na victory, ganyan, grabe yung happiness mo po if makamit mo po yung ganyan, yung mga bagay na matagal mo na pong piniprepare, you prepare for that one thing lang po, which if ma-achieve mo po, sobrang happiness po yung Una po sa lahat, di po yan mawawala na magsustruggle po tayo sa mga bagong bagay po kasi nga, nag-iba yung position natin. But hindi po natin kalimutan na yung mga pagkakamali po natin is kaya po natin siyang mabago para po maging better po tayo. Para kahit saang posisyon po tayo lang. Nag-aano po kami ng support ninyo po para sa Bucal po sa mga upcoming games po namin. Tapos para po sa mga team ko na maglalaro po sa other tournaments po, sa Shakey's, sa regional meet po, please support po.
Good afternoon, Bicolandia. We are now down to the last game for our quarterfinal round. It's the UNC Greyhounds taking up against the Ateneo Golden Knights. And of course, kasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Christina Reyes at the Rico Puerta na maghahatid sa inyo ng mga aksyong laban ngayong hapon na ito.
Ayan, nagpapatuloy nga ang quarterfinals bakbakan between this men's division sa ating Bucal Season 5 Volleyball. So again, UNC Greyhounds versus the Ateneo Golden Knights. Sino ang makakakuha ng spot onto the semis?
Kaya naman, Rick, kaabang-abang ang laban na to. Double effort na para sa dalawang puno na to dahil nga semi-final na ang ating pinag-uusapan. Kaya titignan natin ngayong hapon na ito kung ano nga ba ang inihanda para makuha ang spot na yan ngayong hapon na to.
Ayan, nagbabalik nga tayo dito sa ating venue, which is the NCF Covered Court, and also live sa ating mga live stream media. We have the One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, and Bucal Facebook page. So tutok lamang tayong lahat sa pinaka-aabangang matchup between the Greyhounds and the Golden Knights. Again, nakikita natin dito na nagwa-warm up na ang dalawang koponan, and yung nasabi nga natin kanina, na palapit na ang ating semis round, and I think this is the last quarterfinal round on the men's division. That's why talaga aabangan natin kung sino ang makakakuha ng spot doon sa semis round.
Ayan nga, Rick, during the elimination on our men's volleyball, dito sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, medyo nahirapan sila dito. And now na nasa quarterfinals tayo, ano kaya yung naging motivation nila para magpatuloy sa larong ito? At para makikita tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Ray.
Good afternoon, Tin and Rick. We are now at the second match of this Bucal Season 5 Volleyball Men's Division Quarterfinals. I am Rain Reyes and I will be your courtside reporter on the side of the Ateneo De Sta University Knights. Kanina nga ay nakausap ko si Coach Julius, the assistant coach of the Knights, and sabi niya, due to some issues, they had some adjustments both in attack and defense. The players were also told na pag-aralan ang bawat game and to remember their trainings. Of course, hindi mawawala ang reminder sa kanila na i-enjoy ang game. Dahil win or lose, ang importante ay ibinigay nila ang e-game nila in the hard court. Yan muna ang update on the side of the Knights. Balik sa inyo.
And thank you so much, Shane, for that update. So yun nga, Ateneo Golden Knights focusing on their game sa araw na ito because again, sabi ng kanilang head coach, win or lose, at least na ipakita kung ano ba ang ginawa during their trainings, and of course their game plan talagang dapat ma-execute dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights to secure that semis spot. Ayan, nakikita nga natin dito na magsisimula na ang first set ng dalawang koponan na ito, and I think the courtside reporter on the side of Greyhounds is now ready to report. Let's call our courtside reporter, Kayla. Ayan, babalikan nga natin si Kayla mamaya para sa kanyang report. Yan, Tin. So, very exciting ang matchup ng dalawang koponan na ito kasi it's because of that semi-spot na pinag-aagawan ng dalawang koponan na ito, mapa UNC Greyhounds and Ateneo Golden Knights. At yan nga, ready na ang courtside reporter sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. Kayla, anong update dyan?
Good afternoon, Rick and Tin, at sa lahat ng nakatutok pa rin sa atin live at One Media, TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. I am Kayla Casuya, all the way from the UNC Greyhounds. For their quarterfinal game today against the Ateneo Golden Knights, the Greyhounds are prepared for this game. 10 out of 10 ang kanilang preparation for this game. As per Coach Mac, confidence sa game ang kanilang focus dahil pag walang confidence, dyan nagsisimula ang errors. Everyday training and sticking on their game plan and system, yan din ang kanilang routine that helps them to become victorious. For his reminders, he continues to remind the players kung ano ang kanilang ginagawa, kanino at para saan ang lahat ng ito, and of course, gawin lahat para sa UNC community. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kayla. Confidence ang baon ngayon dito sa side ng UNC Greyhounds to win this game against the Ateneo Golden Knights. So let's see ano kaya yung mangyayari as we are starting our set number 1 with tied on 1. Free ball ibibigay dito ng Ateneo.
So 2 straight points para kay Ampongan. What a great game para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. Now Rica Huerta on the deck to serve para sa Greyhounds.
Rejected at the net. Now chance for the UNC Greyhounds to score. Really will try. Andon. Sisilo. Now another free ball on the side of the Greyhounds. Rica Huerta choosing Proa, and Proa getting that down the line hit.
Now that's a good start for the side of the UNC Greyhounds, and we can really see they really stepped up their game now that we are on the quarterfinals. Kaya tignan natin kung ano ba yung gagawin dito ng ating Neo Golden Knights to do the same. As of this moment, Rica Huerta serving.
Ang gandang net defense ang pinapakita dito ng UNC Greyhounds. That's why nahihirapan ditong maitawid ang bola on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Again, kudos to the middle blocker of this UNC Greyhounds. Now Rica Huerta again on the deck to serve. Agsao gagawa ng paraan, and now Silo will give it a free ball. Combination play, and Drille breaks down the wall. Pang sa last play na yun.
Now that's 4-0 nothing run dito sa ating set number 1. Rica Huerta again. Antonio straight through the net. There on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, so that would be a point on the side of the Golden Knights.
So a miscommunication on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. That's why dalawang magkasunod na puntos mapupunta sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
5 serving 3. 2-point lead of the UNC Greyhounds. That's a service ace coming from the Golden Knights. So and they're taking advantage of that. And they have a chance here to tie the game, as jersey number 6 will serve on the side of the Ateneo.
So sunod-sunod na unforced error ang makukumit dito ng UNC Greyhounds. That's why Ateneo tied up the match. They are taking advantage of those errors. Now Kimpo delivering it to Rica Huerta. Proa, babawi ba? Agsao setting up his teammate. Now chance for the UNC Greyhounds to score. Too close to the net again. Errors are piling up on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, and their coach talagang hindi nagugustuhan ang mga sunod-sunod na errors na nakukumit ng kanyang players. Now 5-6. But this time, Ampongan will score.
All the Ateneo, sabi nga ni Rick, they really took advantage of that. But still, the UNC Greyhounds is ready to fight for the semi-final round. Del Proa to serve.
Great serve. Now, chance ball for the Greyhounds. Rica Huerta back to Ampongan. But he will touch the net on the last play. So the point will go on the side of the Golden Knights.
Yan, kanina pa yung mga error dito sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. They need to lessen that at this moment. And another point, nahanapan ng butas dyan sa side ng Greyhounds. Now the Ateneo is up by 2. Now, substitution on the side of the Greyhounds. Cañata will now join the Greyhounds team in exchange of relay. Now again, jersey number 3 on the side of the Ateneo to serve.
Now, Antonio will try, and the team captain delivers on that last play. Back to 1-point lead para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Ampongan on the service deck and ready to serve. Agsao setting up, denied on that last play. Now chance ball para dito sa Greyhounds. The point will go on the side of Greyhounds.
Now, tied again on 8-all. The UNC Greyhounds need to lessen their errors and strengthen their offense. But on the side of the Ateneo, nakahabol na nga itong ating Greyhounds. Double their effort. Sunga
will try and Sunga will score coming from that last hit. Now as we can observe, teen, masyadong dikit ang nangyayari dito sa ating first set. Let's see kung sino dito ang makaka-pull away and get this first set.
Yes, they really step up on the side of the Ateneo.
Great dig from Kimpo and great spike coming from Texon. What a connection between Ricahuerta and Texon. Now, on the deck to serve, we have Cañeta. Nice serve. Now Agsa will set. And the point will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Again, serving Cañeta. Ricahuerta setting up Cañeta. Now chance for the Greyhound here to score. Texon for that push. Balik dito sa Greyhounds ang bola. Antonio! Grabe, approach pa lang at rinig na rinig ang sound na yon, but the first referee said that Antonio committed an error on that last play. So the point will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Tied again on 10. And the players, but still, let's see. Side of the Ateneo. Binawi agad ni Antonio, medyo nanggigil na siya doon.
Grabe spike! Amazing attack coming from Antonio. First line, I guess, on that last play. Wow.
Now he will serve the ball with 1 point lead on their side.
Now Borromeo will do the setting here. Proa will try and Proa magkakaroon ng puntos para sa UNC Greyhounds. So kanina pa si Proa, tina-target talaga niya yung down the line hit. And it's very effective on their side. Now Antonio, their team captain, on the deck to serve. Borromeo setting up his middle, but too wide on that attack, so the point will automatically go on the side of the Greyhounds.
Now, tatlo na nga ang kalamangan ng UNC Greyhounds and they need to take that advantage para mas mapalayo pa ang kanilang kalamangan. As Antonio will serve, pero this time at error, so a bonus point on the side of the Knights. Now, Maxin Silo to serve on the side of the Golden Knights.
Ricahuerta setting up Texon, and Texon putting an exclamation point on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
We're halfway through our first set. Texon. An error. So, bonus point on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Kanina pa nila nakukamit yung ganitong error. And they need to lessen that. As for the side of the Ateneo, they really step up their game.
Great dig, but it was outside, so the point will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, Tico Huerta, all the players of the UNC really eager to get this win. Now, Sunga denied. Tico Huerta to Proa, soft touch. Well, he's still alive here. Huerta again to Ampongan.
Now Borromeo setting up his teammate and denied at the net by Ampongan and Cañeta.
Now Rico Huerta with 4-point lead. And the service is gaining another point here. Now, dahil dyan, papatawag ng timeout ang ADNU Golden Knights, 17 serving 12. Ayan nga, Rick, sa pagsimula ng ating set number 1, maganda yung pinakita dito ng ADNU, but as of this moment, medyo nakakalayo na ang ating UNC Greyhounds without 5-point lead. So now let's see what will be the adjustment on the side of the ADNU to get again that momentum. But on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, we can really see the determination. Katulad nga sabi nila kanina, it's the confidence that keep them going. Now let's see, as we continue the set number 1, will the UNC get the set or the ADNU? Change of momentum. Rico Huerta will serve on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Nice serve coming from Rico Huerta. Now the UNC Greyhounds is slowly but surely pulling away from the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now Rico Huerta again serving the ball on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Another great serve. Miscommunication between the setter and the attacker of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 2 straight points mapupunta sa UNC Greyhounds.
Yan, dumadami ng error dito sa side ng Ateneo. And the UNC Greyhounds still on top here with 7-point lead. The substitution on their side. Now let's see as Rico Huerta to serve. Gandang serve nun. Another ace coming from them. Now, down to 5 points ang UNC Greyhounds before getting that set number 1. Rico Huerta again.
So napaganda pa nga ni Proa on that last play. Ang attacking yon. So 4 points away on getting this set number 1 para sa UNC Greyhounds. Again, we have to commend the service of Rico Huerta. Again, unforced error committed by the Ateneo Golden Knights. That's why mapapatawag sila dito ng timeout.
Yan nga, Rick. Sunod-sunod yung naging error sa side ng Ateneo. And the UNC Greyhounds dominating this set with their powerful attacks as well as their floor defense. Well, on the other side, the Ateneo medyo nahihirapan na dito as we continue the set number 1. So let's see with this timeout. Will it be a change of gameplay here? Or the UNC Greyhounds continuously getting that point and that set number 1. But before anything else, we would like to greet our live audience here at NCF Covered Court supporting the UNC and the Ateneo. Of course, to our live viewers on Bucal and Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. Yan, shoutout tayo kay Francis Balane, kay kay Jillian at kay Karen Tiascaro. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Now, Rico Huerta. Another good serve. Another point will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. They are now down to only 2 points to finish the set number 1. Rico Huerta still on the serving line. Now, Silo, miscommunication again on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, making it a set point para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Will Rico Huerta and this set. Let's see as he will serve the ball. Good save by the Ateneo. Cañeta with an outside attack. Medyo hindi maganda yung angle doon. Now, the Ateneo still have the chance here.
And with that drop ball, makukuha nga dito ng UNC Greyhounds ang set number 1, 25-13 sa ating talaan. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating second set. Only here at Oragon Sports TV. Bigan mo ako.
Get ready to witness the thrill of the competition and the passion of the game. I am Kimberly Elenis, and this is Sportify.
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF Covered Court sa pagpapatuloy ng match-up between the Golden Knights and the Greyhounds, kung saan nga nakuha ang first set on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Kaya yan, Rick, doon nga sa ating set number 1 sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Dami yung kanilang error dito with 8 sa atin. When it comes to the attacks, 14 for the UNC and 3 for the atin. And now, starting our set number 2 with the first point coming from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, let's see what will be the adjustment for this to lessen the error as well as to give good attacks. Ngayon nga, Rick, para makikita tayo ng update all the way from the side of the UNC Greyhounds, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi, Kyla! Anong update na?
Thank you, Rick and Tina. We are now on the second set of this match. During the huddle, they are reminded with the errors that they had committed during the first set. Pero what good in this team is that anumang error ang makomit nila, binabawi naman agad nila ito with their good offense and defense na kanilang pinapakita for this matchup. They are reminded during the huddle to use their voice inside the court para gumana ang magandang good communication inside the court. Before the second set begin, the last reminder na binigay sa kanila ni Coach ay be consistent at ituloy-tuloy ang magandang pinapakita nila for this game. That's all for now. Back to you, Rick and Teen.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. So yun nga, according to their coach, bawasan ng error. Kasi on that previous set, talagang ang daming na-commit na error dito ng UNC Greyhounds. But let's give credit to their offense. Talagang bawing-bawi on that department. Now, abante pa rin dito ang kanilang kupunan ng isa. The rally continues. Rica Huerta setting up Proa, and Proa getting that point coming from a cut shot. And now to hear an update sa side ng Golden Knights, let's call our courtside reporter Rain. Hi Rain, anong balita dyan?
Hello, Tin and Rick. It is indeed a very intense match between the Knights and the Greyhounds. The Knights displayed a great performance in the beginning of the match, but of course, it is unavoidable to have shortcomings or errors in the hard court. And according to their coach, to make up for this, they have to keep the ball in a proper play and communicate effectively so that they will be able to turn the set around. Forget mistakes at mag-focus sila bumawi. But of course, despite of the reminders given to them, the opponent managed to take the first set. Bago magsimula ang second set ay sabi nga sa kanila ay keep their head on the game. Kaya naman subaybayan natin sila if magagawa ba nila yan ngayon. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That's it for now. Back to the pad.
Thank you so much, Rain. Ayan nga, ito sa side ng ating Golden Knights, lessen their error and of course, focus on the game. On how they will do it back at the moment. UNC sa pagsimula ng ating set number 2. So now the Ateneo really need to step up as Proa serve the ball. Too much power in that one. So that would be a bonus point for the side of the Ateneo. Talking about the error. Now, Amponga with a quick attack. That's good for them. Standing the lead by 4. Now, Ampongan. Serve. So, there's communication on their side. Well, the UNC Greyhounds team getting that point. Pulling away from the side of the Golden Knights. Again, Nampongan. Service base. The biggest lead on our set number 2, Ambongan. Another service ace coming from them. Now the Ateneo. Too much error. Now, Agsao sets it up to Sunga. Sunga, bumawi naman agad dyan.
Now jersey number 3 needs to serve well here. Kimpo with the receive. Rile setting up Antonio and Antonio. Grabe. Kanina pa si Antonio nagbibitaw ng malalakas na spike. Now Rile. Sunga will try. Too strong on that attack, so the ball will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now that's an 8-point lead, really again.
What a great hustle. Now chance for the Ateneo Golden Knights here to score. Sunga, bantay sarado doon. Bantay sarado ni Antonio on the last play. So UNC Greyhounds starts very well sa pagpasok ng second set. On the other hand naman, Ateneo struggling with their offense and defense. That's why nahirapan silang magkaroon ng puntos. Now Sunga will try again. But an error was committed by Sunga on that last play. At mapapatawag nga ng timeout ang Ateneo Golden Knights. Because the lead is now on 10 points.
Ayun nga, napakalaki agad. With that side of the Golden Knights, ito nga yung naging problema. Now, the Ateneo. Marami na, yung nakomit nilang error. So let's see as we continue the set number 2, what will be their adjustment. They need to focus well on their reception dahil nahahanapan sila lagi ng butas ng UNC Greyhounds. But on the other side, comfortable here. Now 3 serving 13, Rile to serve.
Agsao, pababawian dito si Sunga and bumawi nga on that last play.
Oh, they needed that powerful attack.
Sunga serve the ball. Kimpo with that receive. Now Rile. What a great smart move coming from Rile. Finding that donut hole on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Again, double digit lead para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. Agsao setting up his teammate. Pero miscommunication, that's why an error again committed on Ateneo Golden Knights.
10-point lead here. Antonio to serve. Straight through the net para dito sa Golden Knights. Giving a bonus point for the UNC Greyhounds. Now, 9 points away. Got the UNC Greyhounds and getting that set number 2. Antonio. Di ba ibibigay sa UNC? Now Proa to attack. And the point will go on the side of the Ateneo.
Kimpo. Now Rica Huerta to Texon, and Texon will score. 11-point para sa UNC Greyhounds.
Substitution for the UNC Greyhounds. Now Texon, 6 serving 17 now.
Agsaw setting up his teammate. And finally, Ateneo Golden Knights reducing score here sa ating second set. Again, team Ateneo Golden Knights need to regain their composure here sa ating second set because again, they are a little bit of shaky and struggling when it comes to their defense and offense. Greyhounds very comfortable with that lead. But this time, 2 straight points para sa Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now the Ateneo needed to take advantage of this. Maging maganda na yung laro nila dito. But let's see if they will be consistent with that. 8 serving 17. Still a 9-point lead. Now, Pro at attack. Nagkahanapan ng butas dyan. Yes, 3. On the lead. To serve.
Sharp serve. And the service ace para dito kay Rica Huerta.
Points na lamang para sa UNC Greyhounds and getting set number 2. Excel sets it up. And they did it. Another point for the Ateneo.
Last play, ang gandang pasa sa setter. That's why nakakonvert ito into points. Again, the first ball is very crucial at this point para sa Ateneo. Now Rica Huerta setting up Proa. Too much angle on that last attack coming from Proa.
Ateneo fighting for the set. Huerta sets it up.
Nice dig. Now chance for the Ateneo Golden Knights here to score. Sunga. Nandun si Kimpo. Now Rica Huerta setting up Proa. And someone's touched the net. Para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. That's why the point will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Nice, sabi natin to lessen the error. Maganda na sana yung sunod-sunod na play dito ng Ateneo, but let's see. As Proa will serve the ball on the side of the Greyhounds.
Agsaw setting up his teammate. Andun si Proa. Now, free ball para sa Golden Knights. Agsaw setting up his teammate. What a great save coming from Rica Huerta. Now, chance again for the Ateneo here. But a double contact violation was called on Suma. So the point will automatically go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. You know what, I want to acknowledge the floor defense of the UNC Greyhounds because hindi sila dito nalalapagan ng bola. At kahit mga broken play na talagang nagkakaroon sila ng puntos on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, again, they need to step up big time dito sa ating second set. Papatawag nga dito ng timeout ang kanilang kupunan. 21-10 sa ating talaan.
Ayan nga, Rick. You're talking about the floor defense with that last sequence coming from Rica Huerta. Yung paano yung ginamit niya and a good save coming from them.
Ayan, Tin, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout kay Ray Infante Puerta, Angela Ampongan, Yuri Dominic Aleman, Hazel Banico, Mel Kipinpin Aurelio, Ruth Lizaso, John Vincent Aton, and Nathaniel Martilian. Happy viewing po.
Now we are back on the ball game. 4 points away. Universidad De Sta UNC Greyhounds to end this set number 2. But let's see on the side of the Golden Knights, what will they do now to extend this set?
What a great timeout on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. As we can see on that replay, Sunga will get a score in the middle. So yun nga, parang hindi dito na-activate ang middle on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. That's why on that last sequence, makakakuha sila ng puntos. Sunga will try, andun si Rica Huerta. Kempo setting up relay. And it doesn't cross the net, so the point will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Too strong on that serve. So a free point was given on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. No room for error para dito sa Golden Knights. Now Kempo received that ball. Rica Huerta setting up his teammate. Great dig, but no one gets that second ball. Now a substitution on the side of the Greyhounds. Rica Huerta is out and Cañete is in. Now, 2 points away on getting this set number 2 para dito sa Greyhounds. Agsao setting up Sunga. Ball is still alive. Cañata will try. But that's an unforced error committed by him. So a lucky break para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Ball is still alive. Now Cañata will try with that push. Ball is still alive. Sunga setting up his teammate. Back to UNC Greyhounds. Great pancake save. Now back to UNC Greyhounds. Chance for them to score. Great rejection. One more time. But an error was committed on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Pababawiin dito. So it was outside. Another lucky point coming from the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now jersey number 13 serving the ball. Huerta. Chance for the Golden Knights here to score. But 4 touches was called on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. That's why 2 sets ang nakuha ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating third set. Only at Oragon Sports TV. Igan ng mga kapil.
Get ready to witness the thrill of the competition and the passion of the game. I am Kimberly Elenis, and this is Sportify.
And we are back here sa loob ng ating venue, the NCF Covered Court, for our third set. At ang UNC Greyhounds nga, isang set na lang at pasok na sila sa semi-finals round on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. They need to step up here if they want to prolong this match. Hawak ko nga dito ang statistic sa nangyaring second set. On the attacks, talagang dominante dito ang UNC Greyhounds. 10 kontra sa 6 ng ADNU. And on the opponent error, talagang ang daming na-produce dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights, 12 kontra 10 ng UNC Greyhounds. So let's see kung ano ba ang gagawin dito. Bagong game plan ng Ateneo Golden Knights if they want to snatch this set number 3. Or will the UNC Greyhounds tuloy-tuloy na ngang makuha ang panalo ngayong hapon na ito? Ayan, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Havaianas, Elise Sportswear, Biggs, and Aricruz. And to hear more on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, let's call our courtside reporter, Rain. Hi, Rain, take it away.
Thank you, Tin and Rick. The Knights continue to struggle in their strategies. During huddle, Coach Julius told them that they should be aware of their next move when playing in the hard court. Always think of a strategy that will help close the gap. Sabi pa ng mga players sa isa't isa, I use signals when doing a play or receiving the ball. Relax and try to make less errors. The Knights are surely making an effort to turn the tables, but not enough because again the Greyhounds managed to take the second set. And given this, I know they are determined now more than ever na bumawi sa susunod na set. Kaya naman, may papanalo ba ng Knights ang larong ito? Yan muna ang update on the side of the Knights. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Rain. Ayan nga. Less there on the side of the Ateneo para tapos finals na ito, double effort para sa mga kapunan. And now, on our scoreboard sa pagsimula ng ating set number 3. Unang puntos nga napunta sa UNC Greyhounds at para makingi tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kayla. Hi Kayla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on the third set of this matchup and the momentum continues on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. We've witnessed the confidence that Coach Mac is emphasizing a while ago. Talagang 10 out of 10 ang kanilang pagiging prepared for this game dahil malaka din ang kanilang naging labang during the second set. We can see that they are really working hard and they are eager to advance to the semi-final round. At isang set na lamang nga, pasok na sila sa Final Four. Kaya manatiling nakatutok only here at One Media TV 48 Naga o Ragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Hala, for that update. So yung atin, isang set na lang at makakapasok ng UNC Greyhounds sa semi-finals round. That's why they need to be consistent here and not to be complacent para talagang makuha nila ang panalo sa hapon na ito.
Back on the ball game. Sunga now, free ball bibigay dito sa UNC. Kanyeta, soft touch. Sunga. And the point will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, jersey number 1, serve again.
Now, Agsaw setting up Sunga. Nice day coming from Kempo. Kanyeta, soft touch. Ball is still alive. Now, Ricahuerta setting up his middle and denied at the net para sa last play na yun. 8 point coming from the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, abante pa rin dito ng dalawa ang UNC Greyhounds.
This last chance for the Ateneo. So they really need to put effort on the set. Now, Antonio with that strong attack. Too much power on that one. So a bonus point for the Ateneo Golden Knights at Simarama nga. Ang pinakahabol nila dito. Let's see. Jersey number 10, serving. Very crucial error. Bonus point para sa another error for the Ateneo Golden Knights. Straight through the net. Still on the service line. Jersey number 8, 6 serving 3.
So point will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Let's see kung mahabol ba dito ng Golden Knights ang kalamangan ng Greyhounds. (6-4) sa ating dalaan. Now jersey number 3 on the Ateneo side will serve the ball. So, chance ball para dito sa Golden Knights. Agsaw setting up Sunga. And an error was on Sunga.
Now, on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, Kanyeta to serve.
Free ball para sa UNC Greyhounds. Ricahuerta in the middle and Texon using his left hand. Still successful para dito sa Greyhounds. At mapapatawag nga ng timeout ang Ateneo Golden Knights kasi abante dito ng 4 ang UNC Greyhounds.
Now, as we can see dito sa pagsimula ng ating set number 3, medyo napadami yung error na nagawa dyan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. But as of this moment, 4 na nga mga ng UNC Greyhounds. Hindi na dapat ito palamangin pa ng Ateneo if they really want to get this set and extend the game. But for the UNC Greyhounds, this is their best chance to get that spot para sa ating semifinals next week. So this would be an exciting game between these two teams. Now we are back on the ball game. 8 serving 4. Now Cañeta to serve.
And this lab is powered by Converge, the fastest internet in the Philippines. Great serve coming from Cañeta. Now Silo will try, and Silo will get that ball touch. That's great. That's why the point will go on the side.
Now Sunga to serve for the side of the Ateneo. Pero service error. Bonus point for the side of the Greyhounds. Now the captain Antonio to serve.
Agsao setting up Silo. And net touch. Small on UNC Greyhounds. That's why the ball will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Tatlo lamang kalamangan dito ng UNC Greyhounds.
Antonio with that receive. Chance for the Golden Knights here to score. Silo with that soft touch. Great pancake save coming from Cañeta. Now chance for the UNC Greyhounds here to score. And this time, makukuha nila ang puntos coming from that hit.
Now Texon. Ito kaganda. Ang floor defense dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Since the set number 1, hindi talaga hinahayaan nilang bumaba yung bola. Now Texon to serve.
Miscommunication between Agsao and his middle blocker. That's why 3 points will be given on the side of the Greyhounds. Now Texon on the deck to serve para dito sa Greyhounds. And a service ace for him. Texon again, serving for the UNC Greyhounds. Agsao, setting up Silo. Andon si Texon. So free ball on the side of the Golden Knights. Agsao with that 1-2 play. UNC Greyhounds. Hindi pa dito makakakuha ng puntos. Cañeta with that receive. Pipe attack para dito kay Antonio, and Antonio will score. Great serve. Combination play and one-man block para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. Again, all goes well para sa team ng Greyhounds. Tuloy-tuloy nga dito ang kanilang pagrangkada at para makuha ang panalong ito. Now, Texon again, continuously serving on the side of the Greyhounds. Silo. And free ball on the side of the Greyhounds. Picahuerta, one-hand set. But a net violation. Number 6. What will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights?
Now Now 14 serving 7, 7-point lead coming from the UNC Greyhounds. Silo to serve now. Now, Picoberta.
Chance for the Golden Knights here to score. Ateneo got a point. Last play.
Silo again to serve.
Nice day coming from the libero of the Ateneo. Rally continues. One more time for the Ateneo. Ay makakakuha ng puntos coming from that down the line hit.
Silo again on the service line. Yan, one more time. Too much power on that. Mabula dito ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And with that, napatawag na nga ng timeout itong ating UNC Greyhounds because at the moment, the Ateneo sunod-sunod na nga yung kanilang pagpuntos dito and a lot of errors sa ating mga last sequence sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. So let's see what will be the adjustment here of the UNC Greyhounds para maibalik muli sa kanila ang momentum for the third set of the game. Of course, we would like to thank our sponsors. We have the Will Print, Quality Printing, Excellent Service, Lemons, and we have Converge. Maraming salamat po.
And Dean, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers na talagang namang nakatutok para sa larong ito. Shoutout kay John Tuico, Shane Kimpo, and Mila Ampungan. Happy watching po.
Now, Sunga. Too much power in that one. Now, Bicol serving.
Straight points para sa UNC Greyhounds. And the Ateneo Golden Knights need to lessen their error here if they want to chase the lead coming from the UNC Greyhounds.
Serving 10. Ricahuerta now will serve the ball on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Ricahuerta setting up Cañeta, and Cañeta will get a score coming from that last hit. Now Ricahuerta serving the ball. Agsaw. Andun si Cañeta. Now Ricahuerta setting up his teammate. Too strong from that last attack. On the side of the
Now, 8 points away ang UNC Greyhounds. Para dito sa ating set number 3 now, Agsaw. Serving.
Mababawiin dito at makakabawi nga si jersey number 1 on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. The service is coming from jersey number 1. Jersey number 1 again serving. Silo with that receive. Now jersey number 3 with that push. Rica Huerta setting up Cañeta. And Cañeta will get a score. Coming from that cross court.
And with that, 5 points now para sa UNC Greyhounds on getting this game and getting the last spot for our semifinals. Again,
another great serve. Now Rica Huerta in his middle, and it was successfully done. So UNC Greyhounds, they need 4 points dito para talagang makuha nila ang panalong ito and maka-advance sa ating semifinal rounds on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Again, kailangan nila dito ng double effort at wag nang mag-error para mahabol ang score na ito. Agsaw setting up Sunga. Sunga will give a free ball. Rica Huerta setting up yung bagong pasok. Was straight to the net, so the point will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
substitution again on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Jersey number 11 to serve. 21-12.
So free ball para sa Ateneo. Chance for them to score here. At napaganda pa nga sa UNC Greyhounds. 22-12. Still, abante pa rin ang Greyhounds. Now Sunga will try. And the point will go on the side of the Golden Knights. That violation was called on jersey number 12. Now jersey number 3 on the side of the Golden Knights. Ready now to serve. Kimpo received that ball. Rica Huerta pababawian dito. Ball is still alive. Now Cañeta will try. But too strong on that attack. So the point will go on the side of the Golden Knights.
Again, jersey number 3 serving. 22-14 now.
Rica Huerta pababawian si Cañeta. Boy pa dito ang bola. Ateneo will give a free ball. Kimpo. Now Rica Huerta in his middle. Nice coverage coming from Cañeta. Now free ball will be given on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Agsaw. And jersey number 17 will break down the wall on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. That's why the Ateneo Golden Knights get their point on that last play.
Yan nga, medyo nahirapan dito ang ating UNC Greyhounds on getting that 3 points. And the Ateneo need to continue this play. Rica Huerta.
Sunga will try. And Sunga will score para dito sa Golden Knights. It's not yet done on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights because as we can see here sa ating third set, paunti-unti nakakahabol dito ang kanilang kupunan. UNC Greyhounds, kailangan dito ng magandang panapos para makuha ang larong ito. Kimpo with that receive. Di Cahuerta to Kimpo. Now, chance for the Golden Knights here to score. But a miscommunication. The side of the Golden Knights. That's why the ball will go on the side of the Greyhounds.
Now, 23 serving 16. 2 points na lang para dito sa UNC Greyhounds on getting this win.
Betancor now serving. Now Agsao setting up Sunga. Sunga will score para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, Ateneo.
Kimpo, now Betancor setting up his teammate. Chance for the Golden Knights here to score. But a net violation was scored on Texon. That's why, again, Ateneo Golden Knights showing us na hindi pa tapos ang laban para sa kanilang kupunan. But unfortunately, an unforced error was committed on the side of the Golden Knights. That's why mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang kanilang coach. To 24-18, UNC Greyhound is now at match point.
Yes, let's see. Medyo naging maganda na nung mga last play dito ng ating Golden Knights, but still with their error, nagbigyan pa ng pagkakataon dito ang UNC Greyhounds. Pero dahil isang puntos na lamang para sa UNC Greyhounds on getting this win, it's very crucial. So let's see what will be the adjustment for the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights to extend this game. And next week, abangan niyo po ang semi-final round ng ating men's and women's volleyball. Now we are back on the ball game. 24 serving 18 with jersey number 12.
So with that block, UNC Greyhounds is now on a semi-final round. 25-18 sa ating talaan. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating best player of the game. Only here at Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kamyon.
Get ready to witness the thrill of the competition and the passion of the game. I am Kimberly Elenes, and this is Sportify.
Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
Get ready to witness the thrill of the competition and the passion of the game. I am Kimberly Elenis, and this is Sportify.
Our best player of the game is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, home of the champion, leap into the future. At Dugong Greyhounds nga ang nangibabaw for this game, and they are now bound to the semi-final round. Our best player of the game is jersey number 9 with 2 blocks, 2 service aces, and 9 points. And also 5 attacks. He is none other than Hayward Ampongan. Hello, Hayward! How does it feel na pasok na kayo sa Final Four at maglalaro kayo for the semi-final round?
Medyo kinakabahan po, and yun, tuloy lang po, and di po kami titigil mag-training and mag-double time, and yun lang po.
At dahil nakita ko kung gaano mo ginalingan, paano mo ba nami-maintain ang iyong composure at focus during the game?
Deadma po sa crowd yan. Yun lang, focus lang po sa game and every battle po.
Ano pa ba ang aabangan namin sa iyo at sa UNC Greyhounds sa mga susunod nyong laban? Lalo na malapit na tayo sa exciting part.
Siguro po, gagawin ko po yung best ko, and yun, dadagdagan ko pa po yung mga knowledge ko about volleyball po, and focus po, and yun lang po.
At dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na mga gusto mong batiin.
Shout out po sa mga sa families ko po, and sa teammates ko, and sa coach ko, and yun lang po, and sa dorm 1 po, yun.
Thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it, jersey number 9 of the UNC Greyhounds, Hayward Ampongan. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casulia. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Rick.
And there you have it. Makilala Makikilala na nga natin ang ating best player of the game, none other than Hayward Ampongan, having 9 points from 2 blocks at 2 service aces. So kudos to the UNC Greyhounds for getting it on the semi-final round.
Yes, a very good game against the ADNU and the UNC at more bakbakan pa ang papanood natin next week dahil simula na po ng ating semi-final round para sa ating men's and women's volleyball. Of course, kasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes.
And I'm Rick Puerta. Tutukan natin ang semi-final rounds next week only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.